Yeah, what's up? This is the normal gay gun smoke today. Uh, I'm talking quietly for a reason. Outside my house, there has been this silly ass bird ever since daybreak. Uh, Whenever that time was. I got this big mirror outside on my porch, and this bird has been pecking at that mirror for like since daybreak. He or she is still out there, and if I can, I'm going to show you this bird. I don't know what it's doing. Is it in love with its reflection? Does it think it's another bird? I don't know. I'm going to show you. Dang it. Okay. So I was trying to be quiet so you could see this. I don't know what's up with this bird, but he, he has been out here, or she has been out here since whenever the sun come up. I don't know exactly what time that was. Just going at it at this mirror right here. Let me zoom back out, or whatever. There's the mirror. And this bird has been out here just pecking away at the mirror. I don't know what's up. It's in love with itself, I think. He's like, the bird's in love with himself. Just like me, how can you not be? Ooh, look at that sexy man. Look at that pretty face. I don't blame the bird, but either bird's in love with itself or whatever. It's like, what is that? There's another sexy bird back there. Ooh la la. But that is so strange. That is so strange that the bird has been out here for hours. Hours at that mirror, just going at it. I can hear it inside my house, just tap, 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 tap. He's gonna break his dang beak. Or she. Or she. Alright, so this has been unbelievable, unreal talk with Gay Heart Gunsmoke. Stay classy, Dublin, Georgia, 'cause I ain't going to. Ever. Never, ever am I gonna ever be classy.